So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert the Python files into an executable software for Windows. Now, in order to do it, you simply need to first of all run the CMD on your system. Just simply type CMD and hit enter. Inside the CMD, you need to type this command, that is pip install space py installer. So it will download this py installer first on your network, on your system. You need to connect it to the internet for the same. Now, second thing you need to do is to just simply type this command, that is py installer space dash dash one file space main.py. This main.py, you need to replace it with the name of your file that you want to convert to the software that you can run on Windows. And once you do it, hit enter, and it will take some time, and it will generate a software for Windows. You can easily run it.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.